I'm a lone cowboy, just riding and singing, riding and singing along. Tall in the saddle, my spurs jangling, jingling, are the rhythm of my lone cowboy song. My horse is my companion as I'm riding down the canyon with my shadow by my side. As we're kicking up the dust, knowing that we must leave our cares behind. From Phoenix to Del Rio, through the sage and Ocotillo, a roving cowboy's life's a life for me. Yodel-o, yodel-ay. Cowboy, I'll never get married. The altar just ain't where I belong. I'll be free as the wind till I'm dead and buried. Until then, I'll ride and sing my song. My horse is my companion as I'm riding down the canyon with my shadow by my side. As we're kicking up the dust, knowing that we must leave our cares behind. From Phoenix to Del Rio, through the sage and Ocotillo, a roving cowboy's life's a life for me. Yodel-o, yodel-ay.